Hi, my name's Chris Wolfe, and I'm the Design and Technology PGC tutor at Swansea University. The PGC courses at Swansea really focus on subject specialism. Our aim is to develop research-informed, reflective practitioners, and within Design and Technology, we look at subject-specific pedagogies. This course is perfect for anyone who has recently completed a Design and Technology related degree, or someone who's been working within the industry and is looking to inspire the next generation of creators. On the course, we look at a range of topics, such as theories of learning and how they can enhance learning within design and technology, how we encourage experimentation in the subject, how we get learners to work in an iterative way, how to manage a GCSE class with the theory and practical aspects, and many more. We have strong links with the subject academic advisor within the university, and we look at cutting-edge research with the subject and in design and technology education. The PGC year is a very exciting and rewarding year, but also very challenging. You will get a huge amount of support both here at the university and when you're out on placement. If you are looking for a rewarding career, love design and technology, and are ready for a challenge, I would love to receive an application from you. You can find my contact details on the website. If you have any other questions, just feel free to get in touch. Thank you.